Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have something very special, as you can see right here, and I have the Rocket League RC Rival set from Hot Wheels. This did come out in 2019, so as always, this is kind of old, but today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing it. If you guys can see this, we have the Dominus, the Rocket League ball, and the Octane, and the box has like a nice little shiny little look to the car. You see that little shine, and then the grass is all like, they put a lot of attention to detail on this. And then there's the ball, the Octane, and the Dominus, and there's the logo. This can be played multiplayer and played like normally, but and then right here on the side, it shows the charging base, the game ball, the arena, and the two cars. And the back shows the whole arena, which looks pretty big. And it probably is. And it shows here how to charge them. It shows the app, but the app is probably old, so I can't use it anymore. And then it shows how the goals, the multiplayer. Well, I can't wait to put this together. And then on this side, there's that. And all that. Now let's get to unboxing. Okay, now we can get to actually opening this. This is pretty big, so... And it also has this handle, so you can, like, bring it wherever you want. Look at that. Okay, so first, we have our little Octane, which looks beautiful. And apparently there's supposed to be a switch here. Oh, yeah. Just that, unfortunately, the app is too old, so I can't play with them. And this is to, like, kind of, like, push the ball. And here's the ball itself. I mean, it's a Rocket League ball. But it's supposed to, like, that little part there so you can, like, roll it around. And then we also have the Dominus, which the front part is lost or something. And this one also has a light, as you can see. It's cool. It's a Dominus. I like the Octane more. And then here we have, like, the goal pieces, the corners. Oh, and these are probably for the goal too, I think. If I sound a bit weird, it's because I'm kind of sick today. I've been sick for a while. And this is a charger, so I think it's just supposed to, like, clip them on like that. And I just clip on the other one. And then you can just have the ball in the middle. That's cool. And then here, I think this is like all the pieces of the track. Huh, there's some that are like smaller. Well, this one says Hot Wheels on it. This one says Rocket League. And the ones that are Rocket League are longer. Huh. Then if we remove this, oh, right here it also has a miniature little like area, and that was pretty cool too. And now we have the arena itself. This is pretty big. Wait, I might have to move this. My bat just fell. Oh my gosh, this is huge. But this is, like, okay, I have a twin-size bed, and this thing is almost covering my whole entire bed, as you guys can see. Like, what the heck? Why is it so big? Okay, I'm gonna set it up, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, it's it's all set up now and it's all ready, but there's only a slight little problem though. The little cars don't work because the app that it uses is super old. So these cars are just useless at this point. But they never said this was useless. And just to give you a size comparison, this is my hand. It's literally the size like of my bed sideways, and that's crazy. I have my little Rocket League car, so I can at least try to drive on it. They might not drive well because I'm driving on the bed, but let's see. Yeah, they do not drive well. Are you just out of battery? Wait. Yeah, this guy's just out of battery. I think the yellow one works. I hope. Let's see. Okay, now that works. But I imagine me bringing this to like a camping trip or just on vacation, honestly, and playing Rocket League with my friends in real life. I can't find the little tiny ball, so we're just gonna have to deal with this. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wait, I forgot. I had the other Rocket League card. Do you guys remember this guy? Now, this guy works. This guy might be a little bit too big, but it still works. Oh, and by the way, guys, the goals light up. Wait. Oh, you see that? The goals are lighting up. Just unfortunately, they don't work because without the app, so. No way, is that a goal? No? How did I miss that out? Oh my god. Oh my god. There, I finally made it. Are you guys proud of me? Okay, probably. Even though I did not get to use these little Rocket League cars for what they're supposed to be for, they're still fun. Usually when this is on like a hard surface, I like using these because it's like Rocket League in real life because like there's a big arena and like average sized amount of cars, unlike just big cars. But yeah, that's the end of today's video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.